Alright, I'm going to try to get this screw out. This has the potential to be an enormous disaster, but I'm just going to start out by flattening this out and punching this. I think I'm going to have to drill this out with a bit so I relieve the pressure. So let's see what happens. Set this here. I just know this is gonna probably not end well, but we're gonna see. Alright, well, it's a little bit of an X marks the spot there in the middle. So, I'm going to just take this a nice mark there. I'm going to see what happens here. I have a drill bit that's about a quarter of the size. So we'll make the angle correct. So, it's pretty hard to know. So if I look at the depth of this, yeah, it wouldn't be there yet. All right. Keep going. Meter or two. All right. Now I think what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to get a Allen wrench that's just a little bigger than this and shove it in there and hammer it in there, and I'm going to spot weld it, and I'm going to see if I can turn this sucker out. Alright, so I got this one. Looking at this hole, I think I can hammer this in there and then spot weld it and see what happens. What happens if I just try to turn it like this? Nope. I think that would probably break. but we can try it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It works. Well, of course, now I have to get this. Well, look, this is a huge success. So I've got to get this off here. Let's see if I can pull this off. Crowbar. What is the best way to get this thing off without flinging into my face? Or just bend it so that I can get around. Just a little bit more bend. Well, I'll have to repaint some of this black. Okay. And then I bent that, I can just do like this. Look at that. So curious to see if I actually went through the grub screw or not. Look at the end. I never went through it. All I did was I used this drill bit here, and then I pounded in this Allen wrench and sacrificed it. But its life was well spent. Now I have the this is all ready for the new grub screw and bolt. That is fabulous. You just never know when you get a stuck bolt like that. Like that may mess up the entire friggin' front bar. I mean, or sorry, the entire torsion arm. At a minimum, it could have messed that up, and I might have had to get a new one because of the threads. But this is done. Okay, well, this is going straight in the garbage. And today's Monday. New grub screws aren't showing up until Thursday, so that hole will just sit there.